In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to use same style features to search for items on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks about China importation with 1688. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, you are going to learn how to use same style features on 1688, a very quick tips and updates. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure you simply click on your 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on here. Then to open up to the 1688 shopping app like this. Now, for us to make use of same style features on 1688, what we want to do is to make sure we select an item from the home page right here, or better still, we can use type search. But in this tutorial, I'm going to use these items from the home page. I'm going to click on the link. Then after click on link, it takes me to this particular page. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to proceed. Then take me to this particular page. Next thing I need to do here is to simply click on here. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is to exit from the sales page. Then we have to head over back to our profile. So click on here to go back to your profile. Then from your profile right here, simply click on here. So you're going to see the item right here. So the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three dots right here. So I'm going to click on that. Then this is going to pop up. Then from this three option right here, simply click on here. Then you wait for the results. It's as simple as that. So take a look at it. So these are same style feature and how you can use it to search for an item on 1688 Chinese shopping app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial tips and tricks about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.